Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. In today's video, we're looking at an actual driver who makes $150,000 per year. And gosh, this actually surprised me, but we're gonna look into it and we're going to dive into the details and actually look at what it takes to earn this kind of money. Now, before I get started, I wanna tell you all about an opportunity, an app that helps you get your account back if you've been deactivated by any of the gig platforms. There's now a company that is helping drivers get their accounts back. It's called the Reactivation Center, and you can look it up with the link in the description box down below. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. We're looking at this guy who goes by the name of Edison. Actually, this is in our Uber driver Facebook group. So a lot of you guys don't know this, but we have official merchandise, which we no longer sell, but we used to sell merchandise. We had a Facebook group and everything. So we were really serious about it. And anyways, there's 17,000 people in the group. A lot of people share their stories, and this guy shared this screenshot about how he made $29,293.45, and if you just go to the calculator really quickly and do some quick simple math times 52 weeks, that's $150,000, 956 bucks. $150,956. Sorry, I said that backwards. But as you can see here, in one day he made $639, which is absolutely nuts. And so if you make $639 in a day for 365 days, no days off, you're looking at $233,000 average. Obviously you need to take into consideration a few days off. But let's look at this. This guy, he drove for 76 hours. That is a really, really long time, my friends. So if you're thinking about making this kind of money, keep in mind, you gotta drive 76 hours, 76.5, right? Divided that by 7 days, you're looking at almost 11 hours a day. So if you wanted to take one day off, which if you're driving this many hours, you are not taking any days off. But if you're driving 6 days a week, you're looking at an average of 12 hours. So you're starting at 6 a.m. and you're ending at 7 p.m. Okay, with a 15-minute break. But look at this. He did 108 trips. Actually, that's not as many trips as I thought that would be. So 108 trips divided by 7. That's only, well, 15 trips a day. That's a lot of trips. 15 trips in one day is a lot if you've ever driven Uber. But, so tips was 150 bucks. Not even, that's actually pretty bad for tips. That's like, what is that? 154 divided by 2650, roughly 5-6% in tips. That's really bad. So it looks like people are not tipping very well these days. Literally, I mean, for this, you should be getting tipped 10-20%. I mean, that's literally a $20 ride and somebody tipping $1. That's really, really bad. People should be throwing $5 tips there, tipping 20%. So if he would have made like, 500 bucks in tips, that would literally just be 20%, which isn't even crazy. Like, I've had way better than that. 260 plus 500 plus is 97. You're looking at $3,200. I mean, for that. So what did he make? 2903 divided by 76.5. He was making $37 an hour. That's actually really good. That's surprisingly really good. But let's look at some of these comments here. Kudos to Edison. I could never drive that many hours in a week. The most I've driven in a week is like 35, 40, maybe 50 hours. And I was freaking exhausted doing that. So anyways, he said he's starting a new job and he said, I will miss making this in 1 week. And Jason said, you still can work a job and do Uber on the weekends part-time. You don't have to give up one for the other. That's what I intend to do. So he's still gonna keep driving part-time, guys. I mean, this is possible. If you have a credit card you gotta pay off, you have rent you wanna pay, you pay for, you need rent last minute. If you're saving up for a down payment on a house, maybe you need, $50,000. I mean, that's gonna take 25 weeks straight of doing this. just put your head down and hustle. It's definitely possible. 76 hours, that's a lot of wear and tear in your car, not to mention the depreciation. So it's better to have wear and tear on your physical body doing physical work, LOL. Always the one who was jealous. Well, guess this dude might make this kind of money and pay off his car within 3 months. That's actually something I did. I financed my car and drove for Uber and Lyft to pay it off. And I did. Keep in mind, I bought a used car, which I always recommend. That way it's easier to pay it off. My car I bought it for just around $5,000. Here's another guy sharing his earnings, 1,200 bucks for 30 hours. So that's roughly 40 bucks an hour. That's actually really good. Dang, a lot of these people are making really good dollars per hour. I could never make 40 bucks an hour, 30 bucks an hour, or 35 an hour. Like, usually I'd be averaging 25 an hour. So I don't know what these guys are doing, but I mean, that's crazy. Have you guys been earning that much lately? Because that's really good. So anyways, I'm gonna end the video there. Just want to make this quick update to see what it looks like driving that much. I don't really recommend driving that much, you know, consistently, but if you want to make $150,000 a year, that's how much you need to drive per week. But even if you drove half that, if you drove what, 38 hours, that's 1,450 bucks a month, or a week. 1,450 times 52. You're looking at 75,000 bucks a year for driving, you know, 38 hours. That's pretty much full time. So full time, he's basically driving 2 full-time jobs, 76 hours. Yeah, almost 80 hours a week. But yeah, so that's what you're looking at. Again, wear and tear on a vehicle like that, you're probably putting on 76 hours of driving. I mean, gosh, it's even hard to do math on that, but you're probably putting on 100,000 miles on your car a year at least. So your car's only gonna last you 2 years putting in these numbers. So, and then you're gonna either have to sell it, which again, if you're selling a car that has 200,000 miles on it, it ain't selling for more than 5 grand, 3 grand. Your car is going down in value all the time. That's why I always talk about depreciation. So just keep that in mind when you're doing it. Have a balance, you know, do part-time, full-time, a couple of weeks to try it out, see what works for you. But yeah, guys, anyways, that's the update for today. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Again, check out the links down below in the description. We have some awesome links, ways to earn extra income with Play Octopus, with the little tablet in your car. If you've ever felt like you've been unfairly deactivated, there's a service that will help you try to get your account back. You can check that out down below. Otherwise, you guys are great. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.